Folks, if you call around anywhere else, they'll tell you they're slow today because, well, there's a little bit of rain. Not here. We've actually got a record day going on right now. I know I'm walking in the rain, yes, but that's because what? I'm trying to get you to understand that we're selling cars today. So if you're looking for a truck, if you're looking for an SUV, looking for an all-wheel drive especially an all-wheel drive, come by and see us today, not tomorrow when there's no rain. Come by and see us today. Make sure you test it out. You know exactly what it looks like and what it feels like in the rain. Come by and see us, exit 208. If you miss it, just loop around, you're not going to miss us again.